Ladies and gentlemen, this is Gwampi Creatives TV, and today we have a very funniest game ever in this world. Here we have our participants here. Then we have cookies here. We have cookies. Then we have the bottle with some water. Guess what? They are going to be rolling this tire. When someone hits the bottle, he or she gets a chance of eating one cookie. When you hit the bottle after rolling the tire. Now, let's get to know them. Your name and your social media handle.
Sam Kush Official. Yeah.
Elvis Yerima, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube.
Baby Girl, IG, TikTok, then Facebook.
Pixley Mark, Gram, IG.
Bobby Jones, just like that.
Where?
Everywhere. King Calvin, Facebook.
Seth Iadi, everywhere.
Tony Parker, all social medias.
Tony Parker, all social medias. Now let's see how many people will eat the cookies, how many people will miss the cookies. Number one is Sam. Now I'll be firimbing. Okay, when I firimbi, okay, firimbi means to. Okay, when I firimbi, you do what? You rolled. You roll the tire. Okay, ready?
Yes, ready.
Camera, come. Chukua uzito. Chukua uzito means gottering, greetings. African greeting. Now that you have hit the bottle, wow. Hey, enjoy. From the other side. Okay. We continue. Now it's time for Elvis. Will they eat all of these cookies? Will they? Who will miss? Stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Haya. Wait, enda huko mbali. Haya, Erima. Oh, you wait for Firimbi. Well, you want to finish my cookies? This is not fair. This is not fair. What? Enjoy, brother. To the other end. Now is baby girl now. Now is baby girl. Now, baby girl. It's your time now. Don't let down baby girls in the comment section. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe, like this video, say something about it. Oh, hey. Oh, baby girls, boy. Sorry. Very sorry, baby girls. Poleni. Sorry. Sorry. Now, your name?
Pixley Mark.
Mark. Now, it's time for Mark now. It's time for Mr. Mark. Hiya, Mr. Mark. Niende alikuwa anakosea. He hit the ball, huh? The bottle. Songeni. Now, who is next? Hey. Get ready. Expertise. What? You want to finish my cookies, you guys? I'm gonna do it. Hey, you gonna do it? Take it, brother. Hey, hand over to the next person or next participant. Guy. Hakuna mtu amemiss? Wallahi. Baby girl amemiss. Oh, wait. Now, your name? King Calvin. Wait. Sorry, brother. Very sorry. King Calvin, I'm a miss. Yeah. Give it to the next. Seth, you are the next. Higher, Mr. Seth. Don't confuse him. Oh, almost. You are almost. You said your name? Tony Parker. Parker is a meow. To the line. Line. Then wait for the firimbi. Firimbi naitwaje kwa English? Whistle. Hey, wait for the whistle. Kidogo. He was almost. He has just. Yeah. Imagine. We still have our cookies here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, Wambi Creatives TV. We are here to entertain you. Also comment with your country. Where are you watching from? You are with who? I'll give one to my cameraman. Give out your social media handle.
Hi guys, naitwa Wodumze Production and funny skits everywhere. Wodumze Production, and you will enjoy us. Thank you.
Here he goes. Pardon?
Wodumze Production, guys.
No, Mike. This is the mic.
Oh, okay. This is the mic.
Yeah. No, the mic.
Oh, this is the mic. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. This was the nice game. And my name is Wodumze Production everywhere in social media. And thank you. And let's support us. Oh.
One.
It's not true.
No. Let's preserve for the next game. Participant.